Hello, I'm Silver. We will learn about story buildings. A story building is any level part of a building with a floor that could be used by people. Consider a ground zone. There is a difference between American and British systems. In American system, we say first floor as the ground level, and British system on the other hand, we say ground floor. Above the ground floor, the American system is the second floor. In British, we call first floor. But this looks like an integer value. One is the nth floor for the American system, and the other called n-1th floor for the British system. You would believe that n looks like a natural number, begins with 1. Most of the workers, in accordance with civil engineering, who construct houses, institutes, flats and others. They use cement for the walls and ceilings, bricks for the walls, pillars, and others. They paint them to give a good look at the building. Each height of the room is 3 meters, or 10 feet. Why is elevator important to use? This is because for some disabilities, the building must include 4 floors and above, one including up to 3rd floor as per the British system. The elevator must be in normal speed from 4 to 15 floors. But we have to take a look. Number 13 is not included for some reason. The by-lev triskaidekaphobia is fear or avoidance of the number 13. It is also a reason for the fear of Friday the 13th, called paraskevidikatriaphobia. Let us derive it in ancient Greek form, triskaideka, meaning 13, and phobos meaning fear. Also, paraskevi, meaning Friday. The term was used as early as in 1910 by Isidore Coriat in Abnormal Psychology. Besides, 13th floor can be substituted as 13th letter M. The M designation on the elevator buttons of the freight elevator can also be construed as meaning the mechanical level, or mechanical floor in this particular building, or as a mezzanine level. In some buildings, 13 is also skipped as a room number. The 13th room, as of 1946. Some missing floors can be seen in Shanghai, China. Floors 4, 13, and 14 are missing, because of the similarity between the pronunciation of the word for and death in Chinese. Boots Court Motel on US Route 66 is one example. Its rooms are numbered from 1 to 14, except 13. In skyscrapers, fast elevators are recommended at least 50 floors and above. Many skyscrapers you have come across in the places, like Times Square in New York, Tokyo in Japan, Marina Bay in Singapore and others. Its height must be at least 200 meters, or 656 feet. One tallest skyscraper has recent finishes in Dubai, called Burj Khalifa. Its height is 828 meters, or 2,716 feet. The building consisted of 163 floors. I feel like soaring up in the sky. Another recent finish too, called Kingdom or Jeddah Tower in Saudi Arabia, opened soon in either 2020 or 21. The building would consist more than 200 floors. They believed it would be 252 floors. Its height 1 kilometer tall. The last two are required for very high-speed lifts, would travel in 18 to 20 meters per second. Also, try imagining yourself, what would happen if the height of the tower reaches to the space, to see a planet moon? The distance is given by 386,000 kilometers. Let's calculate it now. As before, each height of the room is 3 meters. Now, this is a huge number, would probably be needed 128 million floors. Ha ha ha, this is crazy. Rate of floors must be very high speed. So that was fake. Hope you knew how to live in a story building everywhere in the country. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.